Okay, sorry guys for the late video. I have not created the video for last 15-20 days because I had some exams. Okay, so today we will learn how to create an HDR out of a single photograph. So it's not really an HDR, but it will have high dynamic range. So using Lightroom CC, we will try to create an optimally exposed photograph, basically. Okay, so what we have to do here is, you can see the highlights are very strong and you can hardly see some of the features of the picture, of the photographs. Okay, so let's change the highlight here. We will basically use this and exposure and the highlight shadow, this part, and then the tone curve if necessary. So first thing we do is we reduce the exposure a little bit and you will understand. Okay, now you can see the highlights and you can see lots of features which were already missing. After that, we have to make the highlights a little bit less. Shadows are basically midtones. Whites are ultra white areas here, and blacks. So basically, HDR is kind of photograph with the dynamic range, which is the difference between the brightest area and the darkest area is less. Basically, it has enough visibility. Basically, if you look at the histogram, then you will be able to see that the clarity of the areas which are white or which are in highlight, and the areas which are the darker areas. Basically, this photograph doesn't really have dark area, probably this corner or something. And if we zoom in, you should be able to see the details. So that is what basically call a dynamic range. Basically, if the photograph is able to preserve the details in the highlighted area and the dark area, then it has got high dynamic range. Okay, so next thing what we will do is we will just increase the vibrance a little bit, reduce the highlight a little bit more, and shadows are okay basically. Yeah, I think we can actually reduce it. Yes. So now, as you can see now, so we managed to bring all the details of this photograph. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'll try to create more videos. I mean, more frequently. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.